In this video, we'll cover how to make interactive tests and quizzes with ChatGPT. So imagine a situation where employees have completed some training. You want to check how much was understood and how much was remembered. In this case, you probably create some kind of a quiz or test, and you probably check understanding with something like multiple choice questions. In an ideal world, you want to make the test interactive for the employee experience. And you'd also want to make the questions random to a degree to make sure that the entire scope of the training was covered. Well, all this can be handled with ChatGPT. And the best thing is that after the quiz is finished, ChatGPT can also allow the user to save the results as a PDF that can later be shared with you. And this is what we'll cover in the full scope of this video. So first, we're going to tell ChatGPT to create 3 multiple choice questions based on a document they're going to attach. And this document will contain all the information needed for the quiz. And then we tell ChatGPT, after asking each question, prompt me for my answer and wait for a valid input. So if we don't put this part of the prompt in there, ChatGPT will just go through all 3 questions and then ask us at the end, which is no good. We want this to be interactive. And then we say, once I have answered, tell me if I'm correct, or explain the right answer if I'm wrong. And then finally, only proceed to the next question after a valid answer is given. So this is what it'll do for each individual questions. And then we want to tell it at the end of the quiz, provide a summary of which answers were correct and incorrect with explanations for incorrect responses. And we can ask ChatGPT to display a final score, and we can specify the format for this, but here I've left it open for ChatGPT. Finally, at the end of the quiz, we want ChatGPT to ask the user if they want to take the quiz again if they're not satisfied, or if they want to save the result to a PDF. And this is all we're going to do here in the prompt. So in this example, we'll use this file. It is a document about disaster readiness. So a typical document that you'd probably share with all employees, and want to make sure that everybody understands and remembers the content. So a good example for this video. So let's drag and drop this into ChatGPT. Okay, so now our file is attached. Let's copy and paste the prompt we covered just a second ago. So it's read the document already and gone straight into question 1. And this is from the file. So we have a multiple choice question as we requested ChatGPT. And I'm just going to choose one at random. And we can see there it's told us that the answer is incorrect. And in the incorrect case, it's given us a detailed explanation of what is the correct answer. So that's exactly what we asked for. Okay, so question 2. I'm going to give a correct answer this time. And now we see ChatGPT is working as we'd expect. And for question 3, let's put in something that's not related to the question, not answer A, B, C, or D, and let's see how it responds. So I put in cats there, which is completely unrelated. And yes, ChatGPT is responding with the same question again. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay. Okay, so as we put in our prompt, ChatGPT now has given us a summary of the answers and a final score 1 out of 3. So we can ask to take this quiz again or save the results to PDF. I think I'll take it again. And let's have another try. Okay, so I know this answer already. And the final question, can I get 3 out of 3? There we go, we got a good final score of 3 out of 3, so I'm happy with this score now. So I can ask to save to a PDF. And here we see ChatGPT says analyzing, but it's actually there preparing the PDF. You could just click on this to see anytime what ChatGPT is doing. And there was an error, so it seems that ChatGPT is trying to do it again. And there we have it. ChatGPT has now created a PDF for us. So hopefully this now has a PDF. Fantastic. So it's showing there so my answer is correct for each one. And actually we can update the prompt so that we can put our name on the PDF as well. And so we're adding the name to the PDF, and what we could have done is we could have said to ChatGPT, before the quiz begins, please ask your name, so that the person who does the quiz can put in the name at the beginning of the test. So here we can now download this to our computer and then send to share the results of the quiz. Okay, so here is our final prompt. You can see that we've added a sentence here asking for the name before starting the quiz and to include this name in the PDF of the result. So hopefully from this demonstration you've seen how we can use ChatGPT to create an interactive quiz at all stages, waiting for the user's input, validating the input, and then moving to the next question before finally giving a summary at the end of a quiz. So this is the end of the video, but if there's something that you'd like us to cover in future, please leave a comment below, and please contact us for ChatGPT training if you'd like to learn more about how to use ChatGPT more effectively in your organization. And finally, as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.